Just as dcount has a version in countif that allows us to filter the counts, count itself has a version called countif that allows us to apply a filter to what we're counting. Here you can see for my perf table, I'm going to do a summarize to create a new column called row count. I'm setting this equal to countif, and then for the parameter, I'm passing a condition, counter name contains bytes, and I'm going to do the summary by counter name. We'll sort the output by the counter name. And here you can see the output. The first row, available memory, lacks the word bytes, therefore it wasn't counted, so my count is 0. Same for swap space, but then we get to percent committed bytes in use. That did indeed contain the word bytes, so it was counted, and I see that I have 241,332 of them. Now we can get a similar result if we come down here and I apply a where clause and then apply a normal count. So where counter name contains byte, summarize count. And if I execute this, you're going to notice something just a little different in that it only included rows that contain bytes. Before, you saw rows that lacked the word bytes and it included zeros. So that's one of the useful things about countif. If we use countif, we'll also get data back that does not have a value for the particular row. Of course, this is an extremely simple condition. We could also have things like only count it if the date is prior to the beginning of the month, things like that. Now, I can actually use countif and still eliminate those extra rows. All I had to do was add a where clause for where row count greater than 0 after I do my countif, and then that removes all of the rows that have a 0 value.